Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make turkey la. These are the ingredients that you will need. This is green onion, cilantro, lime, that's a whole lime, egg mint and regular mint. This is the green onion roots and purple onion, lemongrass, lime leaf, peppers. I use about 10 peppers here, and your ground turkey, and natural sea salt, black pepper, chicken broth mix, and squid fish sauce. And you're going to need this LARB seasoning mix. Okay, this is what it looks like. Let's get started on this delicious dish. Let your oil get really hot. Put your lemongrass in. Cook the lemongrass for a little bit. Lemongrass smells really good. Now put in your ground turkey. I'm going to use 2 packs because they don't have a big pack. So using 2. Pour your meat. At this point, I am going to add some salt. Then I am going to add 1 scoop of the chicken broth mix. You can always add more later if you want. I usually just start with 1. And you're just going to cook your meat until it is well done. Once your meat is fully cooked, it looks like this. So you want to let it cool down for just a little bit. Okay, so once it's cool, you want to add your ingredients. I like to add my green onion and purple onion. My chili peppers. Lime leaves. You mix it together. And you want to add the rest of your greens, cilantro. I like a lot of vegetables, so I'm adding a lot. That's green onion. I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper. Then scoop of the LARB seasoning mix. I usually like to start off with 2 scoops first. And if I want more, I could always add more later. And then some fish sauce. Just mix all of that together. To add my lime. If you like it sour, you could put the whole lime, but I don't like it to be too sour, so I'm just gonna put about half. And let's see how that is. Final touch with my egg mint and my regular mint. Mix them together. And there you have it. This is what it looks like after it is done. I am going to eat it with water spinach. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, God bless.